It's been really cool to be here in Italy. Never been in my life.
The trip has been incredible.
To see the Italian countryside and these things as well has been wonderful.
Going into the towns, seeing the local culture, it has been such a pleasure.
This tech tour has been fantastic.
One of the great things by visiting a Cefla Live event is seeing automation, where you can't see a lot of this in the U.S. It gives you ideas so you can expand your business and make the process better.
I would say that it's been a good time and a treat to be here with the Cefla staff and team.
One of the things that we've been able to do is really narrow in on some specific equipment that we've been thinking about.
The information that we learned, the machinery that we saw.
Seeing this equipment in production real time has helped us to make our decision. That's why we're here. It's been very important to me. I think we've probably made our mind up.
This has provided the opportunity by going to some different facilities to see that actually in action and see that, okay, we can do that and that this equipment will do exactly what we want.
There's a lot of great things that we saw on this trip for cabinet industry, for furniture industry.
You know, we're all woodworkers and we sell finished goods to end users, and it's just been a real great time here. We really appreciate it.
It's just a great way to learn and get experience and networking. And by far the networking is the best part.
Spaghetti?
Spaghetti aglio, olio con peperoncino, per favore. Mwah.